I'm Lana Hammad. Currently, I'm the pharmacy manager at Sheikh Khalifa General Hospital in Al Kuwain in UAE. I worked before in Rahma Hospital, which is part of Saha Hospitals, as also pharmacy manager in Abu Dhabi. And previously, I worked in King Faisal Specialist Hospital in Riyadh as an oncology pharmacist. My main experience, as you can see, is in hospital pharmacy practice, and I'm very much passionate about improvement of workflows, pharmacy designs, quality and patient safety initiatives, as well as involvement and engagement of pharmacists in all the daily activities. I can see there is a progress coming over the last years and the whole region. Of course, UAE is trying to catch up with this in a very short time. And like in the last 10 years, UAE has advanced very much in terms of the hospital pharmacy practice, in particular regulations, licensing of staff, as well as the continuous education requirements, automation at the level of the ambulatory and the inpatient settings as well. I can see that the efforts are really extensive and can be seen clearly. However, what we are still missing is, as just what we addressed today in the conference and also yesterday, is the need for the region to meet and to talk together. Key speakers, key people need to sit together and have this commitment coming from regulations and also from universities and from the operational side. Therefore, we can work together to learn from other experiences, and we can move forward the pharmacy practice in the region. So I can see we are progressing with the clinical pharmacy profession. I think at the level of UAE, for example, over the last 5 years, we recognized the clinical pharmacist. The Health Authority of Abu Dhabi has specialized professional requirements for licensing the clinical pharmacists. I can see also we did a lot of investment in terms of implementation of automations at different settings. Had done, and did a great job by asking or requiring the hospitals to have a specialized unit for mixing and preparing IV admixture. And it was a mandate to license the inpatient pharmacist in the hospital setting. And this is encouraging or taking us into the best practice models where the pharmacy is the one that mixes IVs rather than the nursing at the units. So I can see we achieved, or we did a lot of work in terms of operations, in terms of automation, and in terms also of progressing and preparing the clinical pharmacist for the next level. As we discussed in the last 2 days of the conference, actually, it was a very nice opportunity for people to meet and to share their challenges through the panel discussions that we had. We addressed same concerns and same challenges, and I think we need to sit together and we need to connect regulations with operations, with licensing, with insurance companies, and with supply chain management. So we need to establish better structures at the local levels and also at the Gulf region. We need to keep sharing best practices and learn from others, and share also success stories continuously at all levels, operational, professional developments, or quality and safety initiatives. When the agreement was today, most of the people or most of the contributors, we reached an agreement that there is really a need to start by establishing like a committee at the level of the Gulf region, where they look into the professional development and pharmacy practices. The reason why we are calling for this is because we want to share the data. We want to have our data all collected in a place, professionally placed, just like what has been implemented in the USA by the American Society of Health System Pharmacists. Just because they are having this big organizational body available, it encourages people to write, to submit their data. What we are missing is real data about the pharmacy practice profession, productivity, adverse drug reaction reporting, automation and the impact of automation on our services, number of staff we are having. So all those important and basic information that we can use to benchmark our ongoing activities and our operations, we are missing at this point, and therefore we called for a committee to be established, and therefore people can start publishing and sharing data within the scope and the support of this committee at the Gulf region. Well, I am impressed truly with the attendance for this year, because I can see the progress and I can see the conference is building reputation, and the engagement of the attendees in the questions and answer sessions could tell you how much they are benefiting and enjoying. What was unique this time, also the diversity of the topics that were covered, and also the quality of the speakers that were invited from all over the region to share their experiences. There was a specified session about sharing the pharmacy practice models that also allowed each hospital or each place or each organization to share what is the best at their end, so everybody can benefit from it. And it provided also a platform for network connection and for people to meet and to introduce themselves to each other and to their ongoing practices as well. So I think I'm very happy to be part of the scientific committee, and I'm very happy to be part of the program and the Congress, because I can see the success and I can see the positive remarks made by the attendees of the conference over the last 2 days.